It all started in chapter 1. King Nebuchadnezzar at ang kanyang mga kawal. Pumunta sila sa Kingdom of Jerusalem para sakupin ito. Kasama na doon sila Daniel at kanyang mga kaibigan. Mahaba ang kanilang paglalakbay pabalik sa Babylon. Pagdating ni King Nebuchadnezzar sa Babylon, inutusan niya si Ashpenaz na pakainin ang lahat ng nasakop nila ng masasarap na pagkain na meron sila. Ngunit ayaw ni Daniel at kanyang mga kaibigan dahil labag ito sa utos ng Diyos. King Nebuchadnezzar saw a vision while he sleeping. Ngunit sa pagising niya ay wala siyang maalala. Natawag ni King Nebuchadnezzar si Arioch at inutusan niya itong i-gather ang lahat ng matatalino sa kanilang kaharian. Lahat ng mga astrologers, Chaldeans, magicians, and sorcerer. Sinabi ng hari na kung sino ang makahula sa kanyang panaginip ay bibigyan niya ito ng paubuya. Ngunit walang may nakahula. The king was mad because no one can guess his dream. Kaya pinapatay niya ang lahat ng mga hindi nakahula sa kanyang panaginip. Agad pumunta si Arioch sa kanila ni Daniel at sinabihan niya ito tungkol sa utos ng hari. And then Daniel told the vision to the king and what he saw.
A certain immense image, that image which was large and the brightness of which was extraordinary, was standing in front of you, and its appearance was dreadful. As regards that image, its head was of good gold, its breasts and its arms were of silver, its belly and its thighs were of copper. Its legs were of iron, its feet were partly of iron and partly of molded clay. He kept on looking until a stone was cut out, not by hands. And it struck the image on its feet of iron and of molded clay, and crushed them, were altogether crushed, and became like the chaff from the summer threshing.
The king was shocked and terrified sa nakita nito. He acknowledged God after what he saw and what Daniel explained to him. King Nebuchadnezzar made an image of gold. Gumawa ng decree ang king na kapag marinig nila ang mga tunog ng instrument, they will fall down and worship the image. Ngunit ang mga kaibigan ni Daniel na sina Shadrach, Meshach at Abednego ay hindi sinunod ang utos ng hari. Kaagad naman itong sinumbong ng ibang opisyal sa hari. Galit na galit ang hari sa kanyang nalaman. Kaya si Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego were thrown in the midst of a fiery furnace. Ngunit nanatiling matatag ang kaibigan ni Daniel at nagulat si Haring Nebuchadnezzar sa kanyang nakita. Parang naging apat sila, and the other appears like the Son of God. Later on, he praises God. Then the king promoted Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.